lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super well and wonderful today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. If this is your first time seeing my videos here on YouTube, thank you for watching. And please subscribe before you go and thumbs up this video. I will definitely appreciate it. So in today's video, I do have a quick show and tell for you guys. I picked up this beautiful bag. This is a tote bag from Shoppers Drug Mart. If you are living in Canada, you should know exactly what I'm talking about. And when I saw the bag, I fell in love because the first thing I said to myself, I need a bag for work. And if I have to have a tote bag, I always like my tote bag to have a closure because I don't really trust tote bags that doesn't have closures to it that just open. Unless maybe I'm just going to a movie or like some evening out, but if I'm going to work, I will definitely need a closure because I'm going to be packing some things in here. Beautiful. This was only $29, which I think is worth the price. Lovely, lovely, lovely handle. Hope you guys can see that. And you just have a little heart chain right here, which is really cute too. So it's not just a tote bag. You do have a few things in here. So we are going to open this up right now. So let me just bust open the piece of paper that's that's around it. Okay. And here is the bag. It is just gorgeous. I love it. Very sleek, really, really pretty. And I do like this little heart design keychain right here. You can hang your keychains right there if you want. Whatever you want to do is fine. So in this tote bag, you do have some products in here. So we are just going to open this up. And again, I love the zipper. The zipper is quite nice. Hope you guys can see that. Very pretty. Okay. And let's just open this up. Wow, there it is. And inside, this is inside of the bag. Okay, you do have some products in here. And it's nicely packaged like this. So we're gonna get back to the bag in a minute. So let's just put that aside. And so we do have some products in here. And of course, here is a little bath scrunchie thingy. And let's just see what all of these things, you've got 4 products in here, so we're just going to see what this is all about. So let's just open this up. So this is Casa Belle, and this is a scented body lotion. I've never heard of this brand before. So we're just going to see what this is. There's a safety seal on top, so we're just going to open that quickly. Ooh, and that smells really nice. It's called Casa Belle and it's a scented body lotion. And this is it right here. Okay, I do have some on my hand. It smells really nice. It's not very strong at all. It smells very fruity. Very nice. Very, very soft smell. And this is another one that came in the bag. So we're just going to open this up. And this looks like a shower gel, again from Casa Belle. I just want to make sure I'm saying that right, or Casa Belle. Okay, and this is the, oh yeah, this is the body wash. There we go, really nice. You can have the body lotion, and this is the body wash. And of course you do have the scrunchie right here. And there was just one more thing that we do have in here. Gonna open it up quickly for you guys. And this is the Casa Belle hand cream. There it is right here. Really lovely. This smells really nice. And again, there's a safety seal on top. And I'm just going to, oh, I don't need my scissors. I'm just gonna pull that apart. And let's just see what this smells like. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. And oh my god, wow, I wish the body lotion smelled like this one. This smells amazing. It reminds me so much of England. It really does. Very, very, very pretty. It smells wonderful, and the hand lotion just really dissolves right into your skin. Wow, that is really nice. So it's Casa Belle. It's a scented hand cream. This is a Casa Belle body lotion, Casa Belle body wash, okay, and you do have the Body Scrunchie thing right here. Really, really nice. All came together in this beautiful tote bag for $29 from Shoppers Drug Mart here in Canada. And of course, this is the inside of the bag. There aren't any pockets because it's just a tote. It's nice and deep. I can wear my boots to work, and I can put a pair of shoes in here, pack my lunch. I can put as much things as I want in this bag. And then I am just good to go. Really, really nice. Let me just see if I can stand up and put this on my shoulders and see how this is going to look. So it is a gorgeous bag. I really like it, and this is definitely going to be my bag for the winter season, to pack everything in here, my scarves, my mittens, because in Canada the weather is just so harsh for the winter, so I can pack as much things as I can in this bag. And here we are. Really, really nice. So if you do live in Canada, please go to Shoppers Drug Mart, pick up one of these bags. You will not regret it. And it's nice and sturdy. It doesn't feel like it is a cheap bag at all. It's really nice and strong. And of course, you do have the nice white bottom here. There aren't any feet on this, but it is a lovely bag. And again, it comes with 4 products in here. It's Casa Belle Body Lotion, the scented hand lotion, scented body lotion, and they do have the bath scrunchie right here. Really, really nice. So I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys, and I do hope you enjoy. I really love this bag, and I hope you can get a chance to pick up one of these. This is going to be perfect for gift giving. Christmas is just what, less than 3 months away, and if you're one of those people who love to shop for Christmas presents really early, this is a good Christmas present to give. Only $29. It is just amazing, and they are selling fast. So here we go. Okay, hope you guys enjoy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to leave the details below in the description box for you guys, and hope you get a chance to pick up on one of these. And I thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Bye.